Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Felicia, known to many as the Queen of Content. I create content so that you can create success. Today, I am going to take you a little bit behind the scenes, give you a tutorial on how to use Hootsuite for your business. If you are not familiar with Hootsuite, Hootsuite is an online social media scheduler that you are able to utilize to schedule your posts in your business. So I'm going to share with you guys how to schedule a post. I'm going to share with you guys also how to schedule your posts in the future. So if you are looking to really create content, if you're looking to put your content on autopilot, then this will assist you in doing so. And so let me start off first by just sharing with you some information about Hootsuite. So Hootsuite, and that is Hootsuite, is, again, a social media marketing platform. It allows you to truly grow your reach and get more business with your social media. They really focus on a lot of social selling, employee advocacy as a company. But the one thing that I really like about them is that they have a lot of different tools within the system that you can utilize. So this is absolutely not sponsored, but wanted to share it with you. So I'm going to really quickly, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to take you in real time within the platform. Fantastic. So you should be able to see my screen right now. And let me move myself down. So basically this, when you first go, I like that they give you like resources, tools, or whatever, but I quickly wanted to go over pricing. So, I mean, I have a professional account that I pay annually for. I think I pay, I don't even know, maybe $100 and something, or what have you. But you can see that it's asking me to upgrade. I'm actually in my account right now, guys. But I mean, this is an annual pricing structure that is showing me right now. But definitely, once you head over to Hootsuite.com, you will be able to see additional pricing that may fit your needs as well. Okay. Let me get rid of this cookie thing. All right, cool. So let's go to dashboard and let's go ahead and dive in. So when you go to your dashboard, I want you to go to schedule a post now. So when you go to schedule a post now, you're going to see new posts. Okay. This is where you're going to go and choose like where you actually want your post to go. And you're also going to be able to add in something that you want to choose as well, or your content for that post. So for example, I have mine kind of preset, but just for the purpose of this video. But let's say I'm adding in my Instagram, I'm adding in the Mac Institute Twitter, I'm adding in my Indeed, I'm adding in my Facebook. If I wanted to come up here and say, oh, you know what? I don't want to do Twitter, or maybe I'll do Twitter separately, I would just click that X and I would just delete it, right? And I can easily add it back by clicking on it again and then basically adding it back in here. So all of your, where you're going to publish is going to live here at the top. If I want to clear everything, do you see here it says clear accounts? I would just click clear accounts and then that will go away. So again, you publish to, you click on that box. I have, several brands, but I basically can select it from this drop down. Or again, I can go to my recently used, or I can create favorites. Now, if you want to create favorites, you're going to just click this drop down. You see these little stars? You can go ahead and make these your favorites by clicking on the stars, which also will highlight them for you to utilize as well. So I can click on that. Indeed, I can click on, let's see, my Felicia Mac. I can click on my Twitter. I can click on, if I'm just doing the Mac Institute, my Facebook, etc. Right? And so there you have it. So now I have, more of my channels here for me to post to. So now where the magic happens, If you are a student inside of Business Recharge University, I do some advanced coaching on how you can schedule posts really quickly using this platform. But if not, I'm just going to share with you guys really quickly how to do this. So let's just say, I'm just going to type something really quickly. This is where you're going to go and type in the content for your post. So let's say that I want to type in new blog posts is up on our website. I'm just typing something, guys, right? Like, check it out now. So whatever you want to type, you can make this obviously long. You can type in your Instagram posts. You can go down here and you can add tags that will pull over, right? You can add whatever you want here, right? But for the point of this video, you get the point. So you can type that in. Now, if you want to, you can drag a file. If you already have a file open, you can drag a file. You can also, browse your media here to upload as well. You can open your full media library and upload things as well. And I think that, when you're doing and as you're doing this, it's going to allow you to really be able to upload your media fast. Okay, so have your images and everything organized so you can find everything quick and just upload and go about your business. Now, here's where the magic happens. If you want to schedule, you can post now if you want, right? If you want to schedule this for later, you're going to hit schedule later. You can go up here and you can choose your date. Now, let me show you something. Look at this. All right, we're in September right now. This is where we are to September 4th. I want you to see how far in advance this goes. Oh, I'm keeping on going, right? So essentially, you could hire or do it yourself, darling, and you could schedule your posts way in advance. Magic, okay? But that's not it. You could also manually set the time, or for most posts, like I didn't type a lot of content here, so it's not really showing me, but for most posts, it will tell you the time that the best time for you to actually post. So it'll say a little star, oh, we recommend that you post from 10 to 12. And you just click on that and it auto schedules your post to post. I like that because a lot of us, we question like, when do we post? Where do we post? What time do we post, etc. But guess what? This is telling you. It's literally telling you. And there's a lot of analytics, which is a whole nother video about how to read how your posts are doing, the data that you get from it, the whole shebang. All right. But for the purpose of this video, I want to keep it super, super simple. And I just want you to be able to navigate Hootsuite, know how to post, know how to choose where you're going to post, and know how to write your content. They do have some little emojis here that you could add to your post as well, right? And it'll just look like you just posted it from your phone. So I think that's super cool. There's a lot of different social media platforms out there, guys. However, I have been using Hootsuite for a very long time. And it does what it needs to do. Are there better ones? I would maybe, right? But it gets the job done and it's not a fortune. So that is all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will talk to you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching.